Hello and welcome, children. Let us proceed to the chapter 3. This is also a very short poem. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice. It is written by, again, Robert Frost. Here, when we read the poem, we find two opposite views about the end of the world. The poet is talking about how the world will end. There is a belief that one day the whole world will end. How it will end? So there are two ways in which the world will end. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice. According to the poet, these are two things. Either by fire or by ice, the world will end one day. Some say the world will end in fire. So first of all, let us understand the simple meaning of the poem. The poem is symbolic, because the poet is Robert Frost. He writes symbolic poems. First of all, let us understand what is the simple meaning. World will end. Some say the world will end in fire, and some say in ice. One day, the temperature of the earth will be so high, the world will end. All the people, everything in the world will perish. Some say in ice means one day the temperature will be at freezing point and everything will be destroyed. And poet says that I hold with those who favor fire. The possibility is that, according to the poet favors those who believes that world will in fire. But if it had to perish twice, suppose, this is also an hypothesis there. Poet says, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. When we read it again, we find an idea of symbolism also. In the first stanza, fire and desire word is used. In the second, hate is used. Ice and hate. So we find that fire is symbolic of desire, passion, and ice is symbolic of hatred. So in this poem we see that fire and ice express the profound idea that the world would end in either two ways, either by desire, extreme desire of people, or it will end by one more evil quality, that is hatred. So these are self-destructing human emotions. These are destructive elements. So we should control our emotions, these evil emotions. Desire, extreme desire, leads to greed and it destroys us. So they will destroy us. They will destroy our world. So we have to control our emotions. In simple meaning, one day Earth's temperature will become high, or it will become so low, too low. World will end. But poet wants to say something else. He's not talking about only Earth's temperature, but he's talking about human emotions also. So let us control ourselves, our emotions. Let our emotions not exceed to that point where everything will end. So these are some bad qualities of human being: desire and hatred. We should control it. Thank you. That's all for today.